will hear the frequency. Anyway, so I,
Uh,
okay, Maya, I cannot hear clearly. I hear some noise and it's destructive. It's a frequency.
and maybe the connect is not very good.
Oh, the connection. Okay.
Yes.
It's not an intermittent connection, I think. I just hear some background noise, but the connection I think is quite good. Okay, anyway, so let's just take a look of our topic. Let's just continue this. Okay, so can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so here let's take a look our second example.
Yes.
Okay, will you please read, Maya? Thank you.
Is Proxima Centauri bigger or smaller than the Sun?
Okay, so
Is smaller.
okay, there you go. So Ganymede and Proxima Centauri, you know this?
No, I don't.
Okay, so that will be one of the problem if we are encountering some choice questions because we need to answer or to choose or select the right answer with the question. Okay, that's the only thing that you need to consider in answering a choice questions. Okay, so now here let's do activity. So you need to circle or in each question and you need to underline the choices then write. Okay, so Maya, kindly please write it on our chat box. Okay, so just read and then um just rewrite. Okay, you just retype it and send it to the chat box with the correct answer. Okay, so for number one, it's already given. Is Mars a moon, a planet, or a star? So the right answer is it's a planet. Okay, so that's the thing that you're gonna do for the next questions two and question number three. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So please read number two first.
The Earth go around the Sun or around the Moon.
Okay. So there you go. Okay, let's practice first some pronunciation, okay? I want to hear the sound of the letter S. Can you say that? S.
S.
I want to hear the sound. S. S. Let's practice, please. Okay, there you go. Thank you, Maya. Okay, now let's say the word does.
Uh,
Okay, okay,
yes.
okay. One more time, please. Does.
Does.
There you go. Okay, and then let's say this word again. Let's say earth. Earth.
Earth.
Okay, I want to hear the sound of the TH. This is a soft sound. Earth. Okay, can we do
Earth.
it again? Okay, not just the T sound, not just the T sound together with the H sound. Earth.
Earth.
Okay, nice try, Maya. Thank you. Okay, and then, okay, there you go. So now let's answer this question. Okay. Can you please type your answer on our chat box?
Okay.
Thank you. your answer is the Earth go around the sun. Okay, now here, let's take a look capitalization, okay? The Earth is a proper noun, so it's actually a planet. So therefore, it should be in a capital letter, okay? So kindly edit that for me, Maya, please.
Try again.
It should be in a capital letter because the Earth is a proper noun and it's a planet, so it should be in a capital letter.
Okay.
Thank you. And one more thing, the word go. Okay, so that's a verb, and the Earth is a singular. Okay, it means to say talking about one planet only. So therefore, your verb must be on the S form. So it should be goes around the sun.
Okay.
Thank you, Maya. Kindly edit that, please. Thank you.
So I type it again.
Okay, just edit it only. The Earth and then the goes.
Uh,
Okay, you can actually edit your work. Okay, there you go. Okay, just the spelling. Okay, so anyway, let's just take a look on number 3. Question: is Jupiter bigger or smaller than Earth? So what is the answer?
yeah.
Okay, so the Jupiter, okay, so it's smaller. Okay, it's asking if the Jupiter is bigger. Okay, so Maya, do you have any idea what is a planet Jupiter?
No, I don't.
Okay, so there you go. So in these instances, especially if we are answering um choice question, it's okay to do some research, okay? No problem about that, especially if you're answering your textbook or your worksheets. Okay, it's okay to research the correct answer. In these circumstances, it's actually bigger. So the Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. So the answer is it's bigger.
Oh,
Yeah. It's the biggest, actually, the biggest among the planet in the solar system.
okay.
Okay, there you go. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's just edit that answer and then so that we can proceed to the next activity wherein we're gonna do some reading. Okay, so kindly edit first your work. Thank you. Okay, there you go. Thank you, Maya. Now let's try to read, okay, activity letter A. Read this compare and contrast report about an imaginary solar system. Okay, Maya, kindly please read our article for today.
The FWCF solar system.
Okay.
What is yeah? Uh, what is it like to live in a solar system filled with color? In my in imagination, I visit the FWCF solar system in the Milky Way galaxy. FWCF means filled with colorful planets. FWCF and our solar system are alike in many ways, but there are also many differences between them. FWCF and our solar system are alike in three important ways. First, FWCF has a planet that travels around a sun like a star like our sun. Next, FWCF has an asteroid belt like ours. Finally, the inner planets of FWCF are smaller than our outer planets, just like in our solar system. However, FWCF is different than our solar system. First, each planet in FWCF has a bright, colorful surface. Some planets in our solar system are not as colorful. Next, there are no moons in FWCF. Finally, on the inner planets in FWCF, we have people in our solar system. Only Earth has people. FWCF is an interesting place. I will visit it again very soon when I compare FWCF to our solar system. I can understand more about the universe.
Okay, there you go. Okay, so now let's just take a look of this. FWC, so this is actually P. Okay, P stands for planet. Okay, so Maya, what is the article all about?
Uh, all about the FWCP solar system.
And what about it? Can you tell more? What is all about the FWCP?
Uh, uh, about
Based on what you have read.
mm, uh, about it's someone
Mm-hmm.
visit the FWCP in their imagination,
Mm-hmm.
and then they see a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's all.
Okay. So the F the values. So let's take a look of the structure of the article. Okay. So the first one we have the title here. Okay, and then next is the introduction. Okay, so when we are reading the article, so basically the main point of the article is always in the introduction. That is where you can find the what question. Okay, and here, as you can see here, similarities and differences, it is showing comparing and contrasting. Okay, comparing and contrasting the FWCP to the solar system. Okay, here. So here in this paragraph is it's stating the similarities, and here in this paragraph it's stating the differences. Okay, Maya, we can actually know that it's stating differences because of the linking word however. Okay, so when we see this linking words, for contrasting, it is actually telling us that it shows differences of one subject to another. Okay, so like the FWCP comparing to the solar system. Okay, and then after that, the last paragraph here is the conclusion. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so before we ended up our discussion today, let's just answer number one question, okay? So, how are the two solar systems alike?
Um, it align in three important ways.
Yes, and tell me more about it.
And FWCP has a planet
Mm-hmm. Okay.
that travel around a sun like our sun.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Next,
Mm-hmm.
WFCF have an asteroid belt like ours.
Okay.
Finally, the inner planet of FWCP is smaller than our inner planet, just like in our solar system.
Okay. So correct. So that is how we um tell similarities, or in other word, alike. Okay, that's correct. Maya, thank you. Okay, so by next meeting, Maya, so you will have your homework. Okay, so I just want to see how you construct this kind of article, like having a title, an introduction, similarities, differences, and conclusion. You're going to compare and contrast these two planets in the solar system. Okay, compare and contrast
Okay,
the planet Earth to the planet Mars. Okay.
okay,
Okay, so you're going to write a paragraph about it or an article about it. You can actually do some research for your supporting details. Okay, Maya?
okay.
Okay, so that will be all for today, Maya. Thank you for having you in my class tonight, and hope to see you again next time. Bye for now,
Yeah,
Maya. Enjoy your TED holiday.
goodbye,
Bye.
goodbye.